So good afternoon, my name is Sebastian Lopez. I am a co-developer of the Salstat2 statistical package. My partner Mark Livingston is working on it too. About Salstat2, it's an improved version of the original Salstat developed by the Dr. Alan James Harmony. So after you install the application, you should obtain an icon on your desktop called Salstat2. So when you press by double clicking on it, you should obtain this window or one similar. So this is just a brief introduction about that. So in the top of the application, we have a lot of controls, a toolbar, two toolbars, and a menu. In the menu, you have the file new data. When you press new data, you obtain a new data entry sheet. Open for open files, save and save as, and exit the application. Okay, the edit menu, you have cut, copy, paste, select all cells on the sheet, and deleting a row. And statistical functions. You know what functions? Central tendency. Sorry for my pronunciation, because I am still learning English. Let's continue. The graphical user interface can be customized. I mean, if you look in the left-hand side, the Explorer panel has two buttons. The first button is used to minimize the panel. So if you press over that button, as you can see, the Explorer panel it's put on the left. By click on the Restore Explorer panel, it returns again to its last position. The next button, and square button, is used to maximize the panel. In this case, if I press over that button, all the interface, or the interface, it is filled by the Explorer panel. Next to the Explorer panel is the data entry panel. So in this place, you can, or you should input the data by copy and paste, by importing from Excel, from a TXT file, from CSV file, or by using your keyboard. For example, I input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see, in this case, the size of the sheet it is adapted because of the changing of the contents. So in this case, I input a new value, a word, Sebastian. Then the spreadsheet, or sorry, the sheet, it is adapted to its new contents. As you can see, you can select multiple cells, press the context menu by clicking on the secondary mouse button, and then you have a lot of options. Cut, copy, paste. If you press cut or copy, then you can paste in a different cell, paste. And again, the content is adapted. Let's continue. The next panel, the output panel, it is placed in the right hand side, and it is used to display some results. If you want to calculate a statistical mean, the central tendency mean, then I select the A variable and press OK. The results are displayed in the output panel. So in the first column is the name of the variable used, and in the second column is the the statistical calculation. If you can see, we can also have the chart selection panel. If you press over that, you can use, or you can you have many options available. So there are a histogram plot, bar plot, lines and areas, scale plot, and another kind of plot like as the scatter ternary or ternary scatter. Continue. In the button there is a shell panel. It's something like a command line. You can interact with the application. For example, if you want to make a statistical calculation, so you have to press stats dot and the statistical calculation you want to do. So I mean then open the parentheses and the arguments. In my case, I'm going to introduce a list with the contents 1, 2, 3. The mean should be 2. Okay. If you like to change it, just move the arrow keys to up, then change the value 4, 5, and the mean should be 3. Sorry. Okay, let's continue. In the button next to the shell panel there is the log panel. In the log panel, you can see a lot of message. Mean successful, of your version of Salstat is an available version are that one or this one, or okay, or hero message. That is all for the first introduction. Next tutorial I'm going to give you a more detailed explanation. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye.